Hi you guys, my name is Paola Bashra and I will be presenting to you my cultural artifact speech. I chose the holiday culture. In specific, I chose Christmas, and my artifact is a photo of Jesus's birth. And so I'm going to show you the most wonderful time of the year. Alrighty, so I'm going to start us off with a fun fact. So a fun fact about Christmas is that you know how we usually spell Christmas abbreviated with the X and then mus. That X represents Christ in Greek, and you're going to see how that ties in with my artifact and Christmas and the whole celebration. So how I became a part of that culture, the holiday culture, well, the holiday culture can represent any given holiday. That's what I like about it, that it literally any holiday you can take a fun twist. And I chose Christmas because it embodies my faith. It keeps us happy and grateful. It's a joyful time during the year, and it keeps my family united. So my cultural artifact, and what does it represent? So I decided to get a picture of Jesus's birth in Nazareth. And for me, this represents faith, love, peace, and happiness, being that it starts off as Christ's birth and then we eventually move on to his resurrection. So that also, plays into my faith and what I believe in. Also, this picture shows a lot of love, being that Jesus was born in a farmhouse, and there's everyone surrounding him and there's animals surrounding him. His mom is super happy, and I think that embodies love, especially within a family. And also peace, because Jesus does bring peace, and also happiness as well. So what it means to me, as I said, it's a symbol of hope, love, faith, and also a fresh start. I think that when you see a picture of a birth, you think of starting new, starting fresh, a new life, and that's how I interpret it. And it's also seen as a spiritual motivation to continue striving in your spiritual life. So overall, this artifact gives me happiness, hope, and motivation. It brings me happiness when I start to decorate my room all red and green, and then we get the Christmas lights out, and we all do a bunch of stuff. In particular, my family likes to go to church at night for the liturgy service that they have on Christmas. And honestly, the holiday culture gives me a reason to celebrate, and it's such a joyful culture to be a part of. And also, I love the positive vibes, and after all, it is the most wonderful time of the year. So that's why I chose the holiday culture. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you guys.